Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a little bit of a collective haul. So these are all the products that I have collected over the past month since my last payday, which honestly I actually have a shopping addiction at the moment. So in today's video I'm just going to show you everything that I've got. I'm also going to pop up some try on clips as well, just so you guys can see what everything looks like on. I went a little bit ham on bottoms, which is rare for me. Usually I buy so many tops and then I've no bottoms to wear. I've also purchased one beauty item and one top and a pair of shoes. So I'm going to show you guys all of that today. So the only beauty item that I bought this month was the Olaplex hair repair trial kit. Now I have wanted this for the longest time. Well, actually I wanted the full size versions, but I wasn't about to commit to the larger versions because they're so expensive. They do mini versions, but they've now come out with like a little trial repair kit. So in this you get number 3, which is kind of like their mask. You get number 4, number 5, which is shampoo and conditioner, and then you also get number 6, which is their bond smoother. So you put it on after you've washed your hair and then blow dry your hair, and it has like a heat protection. Or what I did was I let my hair naturally dry, and then when I was straightening my hair today I popped it in and then straightened over it, and it worked really well. I know these are meant to be tiny because they're little like travel size for you to test out, but they're tiny. My hair is basically virgin hair. Like I've never dyed it, I've never like put bleach in it, I've never like done anything to it, so it's completely virgin hair. And these Olaplex stuff are meant to be unreal for people with like bleached hair. So I was like, if they're gonna work unreal on bleached hair and repair them, imagine what it's gonna do to my hair that hasn't had any treatment. So far I'm really impressed, especially with the number 3 one. That's the one that I think that if I'm going to purchase over and over again, it's going to be number 3. Now these do have some sulfates in them. I don't use silicones, parabens, sulfates in my hair whatsoever. Since I've switched to hair care that doesn't have any of those kind of chemicals and products in them, I've noticed a massive difference in my hair. It's way more shiny, it is way more just manageable, and my hair lasts way longer. I don't know if you can see, but all this list is all list of ingredients. So you know, it's not the best, but this is a great little size if you have been wanting to test the Olaplex stuff, because I know for some people it works incredibly well, but then I've also heard reviews where people are saying do not get it, it has damaged my hair. So if you don't want to risk, you know, buying the big bottle and it not working for you, I definitely recommend this trial kit. So the first piece of clothing that I got was this bodysuit right here. This is from Pretty Little Thing and I got it in a size 8. It is just this ribbed material with kind of like this boning underneath. It does have this little panel on the middle here, and it comes just into a thong bodysuit. But I wish it got it in a 6 because it is too long for my body. I am really short, both legs and torso, and this is really long, which makes a gape at the top, because you know the way in bodysuits when you pull it down to like clip it, it kind of like stretches the bodysuit. Because this is so long, it actually gapes on my body, on my upper body now, because nothing's pulling it down to stretch it out. I think what I'm gonna just do is just sew the bottom to where I need it to be. But this is it here. It's a halter neck, it has an open back, and it has a zip, and then yeah, it's just got this boning detail, and it's really flattering on. And I just thought, like, with a tan on a night out, this would be fab with like a pair of jeans, which leads me on to the next clothing item. Jeans. My Stradivarius mom jeans zipper popped, so I bought another pair. These are my favorite mom jeans. If you are a girl who has slimmer legs and a slimmer waist but a slightly wider hips, bigger bum, whatever, you need these jeans. They are called a slim fit mom jean. So basically what it means is it's tight at the top, but then they flare into mom jeans at the bottom, which I find personally for me is way more flattering than the ones that are baggy all over, because I am 5 foot. So anything baggy on me just makes me look shorter, but when it's more fitted at the top and then it goes down into the mom jean on the leg, I just find it works way better for me. And these are the only mom jeans that fit me. So I got them in the blue. Now I get a size 8 in these because I find that they come in at the waist anyways, so I don't need the size 6. And then they just have pockets at the back. I love the color of these. They're kind of like a wash, and then of course you've just got like the wide leg at the bottom for the mom jeans, but they're not super wide. And I am 5 foot, and these are the only mom jeans that actually are a perfect length on me. And then I've been wanting black mom jeans for a while. Some people love them, some people hate them, some people just think black and mom jeans just don't go. But I've been wanting a pair for ages. So I picked up the exact same pair, which are the Stradivarius Slim Fit mom jean, but I got it in the black, and again I got it in an 8 because it comes in at the waist, but it's big enough for my booty. But this is just what they look like. And guys, these jeans are only $19.99 instead of paying like 30 quid on Zara. Stradivarius, I really like these, and again the length is perfect for me. And then moving on with the bottoms trend, as I said, I needed to pick up a pair of gym leggings because even though I work out every day, I only have like 3 pairs of gym leggings, and I wanted to stock up, but I'm so sick of Gymshark. Like, I'm so sick of Gymshark. I don't know why, but Gymshark leggings to me, they fit really weird on me. So if I get an extra small, they fit my waist, but on my ass they just are very tight and they like suck me in. While if I get a small, and I'm actually wearing a small Gymshark leggings right now, hold on, let me show you. See the gap back in front? These are small, so they're massive on my waist, but then they fit my bum perfectly. So I can't win with Gymshark leggings, so I was like, I need to find an alternative. And I've been wanting to get these leggings for the longest time. So basically, a girl that I watch on YouTube, her name is Olivia Marcarelli, I think that's her name. I'll leave her channel down below, but she has, 1, the most amazing figure, but 2, she wears the nicest gym outfits. And then she did a video of her top 5 best gym leggings, and in it were 2 pairs of Lululemon leggings. Now, I will hold my hands up and say Lululemon is completely overpriced. You're paying 100 quid for a pair of leggings. She wore 2 pairs of gym leggings in her video. She wore a black camo pair in the Align ones, and then she also wore this kind of like grey leggings in the Wonder Under. And every single time I go to buy the Wonder Unders, they're out of stock in a size 4. Everyone says in Align leggings to size down, and everyone says on a Wonder Under to like stay the same. So I'd be a US 4 in the Wonder Unders, but US 2 in the Aligns. However, I was able to pick up 2 pairs from the Align leggings section. So as I said, she was wearing the black camo ones and they looked beautiful on her. So I got the black camo ones. So they just have the Lululemon logo on the back, and then they just come down. But this material is not a material I've ever felt before. So I have another pair of Align leggings from Lululemon, but they don't feel the same as these. For some reason, these feel really thin. I don't know how to explain it. There's a certain material that they're made of, I'll leave it on the screen, but these just feel so soft. These are so thin, they're so light, they're so airy, they feel like skin against your thing. And that's what I love the most in gym leggings, because for me, I personally find the thicker the legging, the less shape it gives you. So these are the Align high rise 25-inch legging. I got these in a size 2 because you do need to size down with the Aligns. Thank God I got a 2 and not a 4. What I love about them as well is they have this like really thick band, like compared to my hand, like it's a really thick band, which I love. So it sucks you in even more, and there's no gaping. They are perfect on me, so I love these. And then, as I said, I got another pair of Align leggings, and again I got these in a size 2 for reference. These were actually on sale. So on Lululemon, when you click into a certain type of legging, so they have the colors that are in stock that are the usual like 98 quid, but then underneath that they have a section of colors that they've made too much of. So it's literally called Made Too Much, and then it has colors underneath, and they're always reduced to about 68 or 58 euro, which was how I got these pairs. So this is a grey pair. It's not the grey pair that I wanted, however it is a really good grey pair, and I got them for like what, nearly half price. So I was really happy with these. So it's just this grey pair here, and it's kind of got like not striping in it, but it's kind of just like mixed material through it. And once again, it has the Lululemon logo on the back. As well as that, it has the really thick waistband, but this material is different to this one. Even though they're the same Align leggings, they're just a different material. These are way thicker. They're more like a cottony material, even though they're made from the same. But I don't know if you can see how like this one's like super thin and this one's like super thick. I'm preferring this material, so I don't really wear these at the moment because it is quite warm. However, when it comes into winter, I think this is going to be great for when I'm working out because it is thicker, but it's not as thick as the Gymshark ones. So I'm really happy I got these two, and I'm definitely going to be picking up more of the Align leggings. I do really want to try the Wonder Unders, but I'm kind of just loving the lines. I'm going to try the Wonder Unders. I'm going to try get it in the grey colour that I want. If not, they have a green colour that I really want to try. And then from then I'll decide if I prefer the Aligns or the Wonder Unders, and then stick and try and get the colours that I want from whichever one. But yeah. And then we're already on to our last thing. This video is going to be super quick. I treated myself to some new shoes. Now, if anyone knows me, I never ever spend money on new shoes, like never. However, recently Nike have been discounting a lot of their shoes, and obviously I still get the student discount on top of that. So I've been looking at a few pairs of shoes, and Laura, who I work with, she was wearing these shoes one of the days that we went in for transfers, and now she convinced me to buy them because they were like 30 quid. If anyone doesn't know, if you are up to a size 6 in women's shoes, you can actually buy from the kids section. These are the Nike, I think they're the Renew Lucents, but they just look like this. They are so beautiful. I know they're not going to be to everyone's cup of tea, like trust me, I know they're not, but these are the most beautiful shoes I've ever seen in my entire life. They are so comfy. I've trained in them and I've walked in them. For training, don't recommend because you can't really like move your feet in them. However, for walking in and just for like everyday wear, these are absolutely beautiful. And again, they were like 30 quid. Honestly, I think I'm gonna start treating myself to shoes more often, because I think the reason I don't treat myself to shoes is because you can get for about, I don't know, like how much is a pair of shoes normally? Like 80 quid, 70, 80 quid. I can get so many different outfits out of that. But for a pair, like for just getting one pair of shoes, I just don't see the point. However, I have seen a few pairs of shoes that I think I will pick myself up. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you have the notification bell turned on. As well as that, if you want, I will leave my Instagram up here that you can follow me on. Let me know if this is something you want me to do regularly, because to be honest, every single month I do end up buying myself a few bits from payday, especially in lockdown. You'd think I'd be saving money, but I'm actually spending more. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!